Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with my Boxy charm. I think I got it. Did I get it yesterday or?
Yeah, like yesterday
I think, but
I'm never wearing makeup when we film. This is like literally me taking a shower and getting ready for
sometimes
bed.
is,
I'm like, I want to go to sleep, and yeah, well, sometimes I wear makeup, but for the most part, I don't. It's so late at night. I'm like, I'm not gonna put it on.
The inside looks like that, and this was above the like foam right there, the little Boxy thing.
We're hoping you'll watch our video, and if you've seen other Boxy charm videos.
I know we could have filmed it sooner, but so it says Gold Digger, our very own Boxy charm Gold Diggers. Anyway, and then it shows you the products in there. That's what the back looks like.
Have you heard about Box Lux? That's what it says.
Yeah.
If you didn't catch that, we're super fast. Sometimes it's a good thing, sometimes it's not.
So the first thing I'm pulling out is it Jante Blue? Did I say glittering star eyeliner?
That's cute.
It's like got glue on it or something. Glue? I don't know. Looks like that. I might put it in the giveaway because I don't know. I got a lot of everything, but especially if it's an eyeliner, right? Glittering star. Yeah, so I don't know, but possibly. Okay.
I literally thought that said last hole.
And then Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. That's pretty gold, but there's that.
I think that'd be cute though. I do like wearing false lashes every once a year or something.
There's Lexi Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes, so 4 different
Pretty too. I mean, they're
brushes.
gold.
I'm trying to see if they're like supposed to be for eyeshadow. Probably, I don't know. They're really, I guess maybe you could see them.
She always drops something.
I know.
It's just
I
bound
think
to
that's
be
like the second time I've dropped something today, but that's what the back looks like, I think, in the front. I just thought the front has writing on it. It's probably easier to see through the back. Okay, sorry. Sorry for dropping that, everybody. And then Cover FX Glitter Drops. Nova, I guess is the color.
I never really use those highlighting drops and stuff. I mean, just myself.
I think this one, I think you're like, you could add it to like your
foundation.
Yeah.
They make your foundation glow. I still never use them. Like, so me'd be like, giveaway, because why, you know, I hate to waste it.
I think
Like,
this is the last thing, is Ace Butte.
and we're doing back-to-back videos, by the way. So if you see us in the same outfit, we happen to look really Christmassy today. We didn't plan that, but I wore gold and she wore red.
Do I have to like take this? Okay.
This is a really pretty
Since
box,
I'm putting
though.
a lot of the palettes in the giveaways, I don't want to mess anything up.
Well, it's just that plastic over it, so.
I know. I don't know
If you
I
can juggle it, do you want to hand me the box and like the box part like this?
Try to keep that on here. So that's what that looks like on the inside.
So she's saying she'll probably put that in the giveaway too.
So I'm trying not
But
to.
she's trying to keep the plastic on it that way.
Not
It doesn't
touch
get
it.
any germs, although I gotta admit, some of the shadow or the powder is kind of like a little loose on there, but you know, that probably happens with traveling and all that good stuff of packing it. But that was it for this box, right? And how much is this one normally, Kim? Do you remember?
I think it's like 21, isn't it? 21 or 22, I think.
Sounds right. So if anything different, we'll let you guys know down below in the description box. But don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also to subscribe. We are only like 3 to 5, let's say, if we drop any subscribers, away from doing a 100 subscriber giveaway. So we're very, very close. Tell your friends to subscribe and we'll make more videos for you guys. And see you next time.
Take care.
Bye.